All right, hey guys. Today I'm going to be going over how to make money online without having any money to start with. Pretty much, there are two options for you to do making money online, and that number one option is you have to spend money to make money. Whether that's running Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever kind of other advertising you'd want to do. That's option number one. Option number two is spend time to make time. So what that means is making Facebook videos, YouTube videos, uh, even TikTok videos, or whether it's simply just writing a blog. The best way to go about it is knowing what an SEO is. SEO is pretty much it's just ranking for keywords on Google and YouTube. So it's words that people are already searching for, like how to make money affiliate marketing, how to lose weight, how to exercise, whatever it may be. So incorporating those SEO keywords into your video and your headline, what that's going to do is it's good because people are going to be searching for that. It's going to bring people right to you and what you're doing. We're going with option two here, where you don't have any money to start with. So if you go to a site called ClickBank, it doesn't cost anything to be affiliate. All you have to do is sign up. It's pretty painless. It's pretty painless and easy to do. And then just go down and look for a niche that you want to advertise for. Let's say it's health and fitness. So then you come over here and then you can pick what you want to promote. Let's see, Okinawa flat belly tonic. I don't know about that. That sounds like something from overseas. That may not be the best. This is diabetes freedom. 100% commissions available now. View mobile. It's $50 per sale. $50.66 per sale you make. So what you'd want to do now is you know you take from this website. And I should say, guys, if you're going to pick a niche, it should definitely be something that you're interested in, something that keeps you engaged and passionate about what you're selling. Because that's pretty key for anybody in business is to be passionate about what you're selling. So you would just pick something like this: green veggie cause type two green veggie causing type two diabetes in millions. And maybe you could take a spin off this and do your own YouTubes, or whether it's writing a blog, whatever it is. And like I say, there's pick the niche that you're interested in. We're just using this one for an example because I'm not really into dieting and all that, but I'm just using it as an example. Um, what you want what you want to do, because mostly when you're so most likely when you're starting out, you don't have any followers. Maybe 100 people tops. So I mean, with that being said, there's billions of people on the internet every day, and if you could just get 100 of them to buy a product from you, that's $20. In a month, that's $2,000 a month. So that right there is your passive income, and you used a free link that you got from ClickBank to earn that passive income. But you are also putting in the time to make a blog or a YouTube video, or whatever means you're using to get your affiliate link out there. So if you go on almost any site, they'll have a place where they're going to want to capture an email from a customer. I'm sure you guys have all seen it. Anytime you sign up for something, the first thing they ask you for is an email, and that's usually what they call an opt-in page in a sales funnel. When someone puts in their email, that email is being stored in your system for you to always be able to go back to, for you always to be able to send out new information, new products on diabetes or whatever your niche is. And the great thing about YouTube and blogs are, they'll stick around from 6 months to a year and a half, 2 years. I mean, I've been on here and I've seen YouTube videos that are 5 years old that I've watched. It wasn't very relevant, but it gave me the general idea of what I was looking for. But going back to my other point, so the sales funnel will capture their email, and that email, by them putting in their email address, gives it's pretty much an okay for you to send them other offers later on down the road for different products. So, like I said, guys, that's pretty much the free way of going about it. You know, obviously, if you're paying money, you're going to be running paid ads at a targeted audience, and you're going to grow your email list a lot faster. But for most people starting out, they don't have the money. They just want to get going, maybe start earning a little passive income down the road, 6 months from now, a month from now. Just keep building up their YouTube or their blog, or maybe a TikTok following, something like that. But it's important that you're always capturing an email, one way or another, so you can get back with your customers later down the line. And there's two ways. I'll close out of this here. Okay, so there's two ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Whether the first one would be like a sales funnel, create, capturing emails. So say you release a new YouTube video, right? So now you have this whole email list that you can send an email out to, say, hey, I just released a new YouTube video on how to really burn the fat and fight diabetes, whatever it may be. You can take that and send it to your whole email list, which in turn will bring them back to your YouTube channel or your blog, whatever it may be. And what that is doing is driving traffic back to where you want them, and that is on your YouTube channel. And sometimes you can give away something for free. I mean, you can find free lead magnets all over the internet. And by offering them something for free, you can put that in your email. Say, hey, come check out my new YouTube. And when you do, I will put in a free 50-page list of how to fight diabetes, whatever it may be. One of the ways I like to do it is I've already done 2 videos on here. I did a review and I did a comparison. Granted, I'm still pretty new, but I've done it on TikTok where I have a larger following, and they both turned out really, 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 really good results. Just do a review on a product. Like, say you took an Amazon course, do a review on that Amazon course. Say, this is what I liked about it. This is what I didn't like about it. Or say you do a comparison. For me, I did a comparison on Builderall, which is a digital marketing platform, versus ClickFunnels, which is another platform that is used to make sales funnels. I did a review on that. So those are ideas, guys, that you can do, and it doesn't cost you anything to start. Throw your links around social networking platforms, whatever you want to do. What you're doing is putting all your work in the front end. Whether it's making 3 YouTube videos a week, 5 blogs a week, whatever it may be, you're putting all your work in the front end, which is going to earn you the passive income on the rear end. And that passive income is going to come from those videos and all the emails that you're collecting that you can re-email out to all the customers, new products that you're promoting. If you wanted to get started today, start with your own blog, start with your own YouTube channel like I'm doing here. I don't have a blog. I have pretty much YouTube and TikTok. That's all I use. Build websites, sales funnels, email marketing, any of that. You can use Builderall. Builderall is what I use. It's all in one platform. It's $69 a month, and it can do everything you need it to do for a very minimal price. Right now, we're running a special. I can give you Builderall for $1 for 30 days, all access, and you can just check it out. So yeah, guys, if this is the business model you want to use, putting all your work in the front end, you don't have money to spend, this is how I'd recommend it. Give it a shot. Start building an email list, because that email list is going to earn you money on the back end with other affiliate offers, and just keep growing. That's all you can do, is just keep growing and growing and growing, where eventually you'll have enough passive income where you can just keep throwing it back into your business, into paid ads. All right, guys, and with that, I'm going to end this video. Keep it nice and short for you. I know I'm pretty boring. So if you found this video helpful at all, you can like, subscribe. I will be coming out with more and more content because content is essential in any business. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you next time. Be good, be safe, and we'll see you around.